from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be talking about robbooker.com, reliable or not. The numerous of self-proclaimed teachers and mentors in and around the world of online trading are numerous. If you are active in the markets for a considerable period of time, then you might have come across Rob Booker and his wide range of trading associated services and products. The platform is minimalistic and it does contain all necessary disclaimers. However, the people who purchase from him are suffering great losses, and the user feedback clearly shows the flaws of this firm in great detail. Rob Booker does have a massive social following and he is active on all the major social media platforms. While some people claim to have benefited from his courses and products, the consensus conducted by third parties suggests otherwise. We are highly dependent on the internet, and many scammers exploit this way of life to create a fake reputation and lifestyle. The way the internet marketers work hand in hand with bogus platform is concerning to say the least, and that is why you should be careful while buying any online courses. Trading forex and stock is a risky venture, and if you are a beginner, then do not take advice from anyone apart from licensed financial advisors. Remember, the risk present in the market can go above and beyond the capital you have deposited in some cases, and putting a cap on the max loss should always be a number one priority. One might think that copy trading service might put an end to their trading needs, but there are dangers present in the model as well. So to know more about moving parts of this firm, stick with me. Now, who is Rob Booker? Surprisingly, we could not find a solid answer to this question even after spending a lot of time on the internet. Information about his person and career is hidden from the public, and the lack of data is also not welcoming sign from the customer's perspective. On Reddit, we did find some information and feedback from his clients, but there wasn't enough information that could help trace his past life. People that transparent are usually well received by the public as it directly correlates with the trust element, and all the industry leaders know that. Our goal is not to spread hate around this man's whole identity. Instead, we are just gathering facts about him so that everyone can make an informed decision. Lack of data, especially in the make money while trading niche, is a huge disadvantage, and any rational person would immediately fix the flaw. Though this platform has been around for a long period of time, information about the parties are not revealed, and as such it wouldn't be a wise thing to invest in any of their products. After all, you cannot trust a random stranger you came across over the internet, right? According to their website, the support team responds to the queries within 1 to 2 days. Below are the contact details of this platform. Note that while we were hunting for user feedback about this platform, many people have expressed their frustration about the support team, which means they are not professional in their approach. Do yourself a favor and don't expect the best treatment from their side. To know their address, phone and email number, you can check it on our official website. One good thing about this platform is a popularity aspect. As we mentioned in the beginning, Rob Booker is active on most popular social media platforms and he uploads content on a regular basis. On YouTube alone, he has over 80,000 subscribers, and the kind of videos he uploads does provide value for some people. His analysis is all technical based primarily, and in rare cases, he does talk about the sentimental and fundamental aspects of the underlying trading instrument. Beginners might like the kind of material he offers, but for a more serious bunch of traders, the information made available by him won't be enticing enough. Simple concepts such as support and resistance is not something that is hard to grasp. New buyers might be looking for the next big thing or the holy grail in the sector. But anyone that really understands the market will know the risk management is the secret sauce of the success. We are not downplaying the importance of technical indicators, but at the end of the day, it alone won't bring consistent results. As far as the branding element goes, the way this guy has set up and run his business is phenomenal, and it shows the kind of skills he has. After taking a close look, Rob Booker appears to be more of an online maker than a trader. He has put up his trading records and performance of his boards on the website, but it is not enough to instill confidence among the public. Moreover, he is affiliated with a bunch of brokers in the sector, and that introduces his client to the conflict of interest aspect as well. We know that fancy trading tools and boards might capture the attention of most retail traders. However, you should never risk your funds without back testing them first, and regardless of the kind of results it showcases, Never deposit more than what you can afford to lose. The best way to gain consistency is to remain active in the markets for the long term, and that does include being conservative when it comes to taking risks. There are tons of robots being peddled by him on this platform. During our testing period, we found the complete package that cost around $300 and it gave access to 6 trading robots. Surprisingly, the owner has provided my FX book record that is supposed to act like a verifiable document, but as the details are not made clear, the accuracy of the boat is questionable. The trading records featured on the platform consist of trades made personally and the positions initiated by the algorithms. On the bright side, the boards are said to be upgraded on a monthly basis and new ones are released frequently to keep the clients with updated trades. If you are planning to use the boards, then make sure to purchase a VPS service to ensure proper execution of orders. The source code of the trading robots are made public by the creator, which means everyone can know the way the algorithm is going to choose the trades beforehand and tweak it according to their needs. All of his robots basically follow the divergence strategy combined with overbought or oversold analysis. In other words, the boards are nothing more than sophisticated RSI indicator that can automate the entire trading process. Momentum-based strategies are always risky and one needs to be very careful while implementing it. So have a sound risk management plan and never underestimate the market's potential to hurt you. Also, do not forget to stick with regulated brokerages that offer negative balance protection in order to ensure proper risk cap. At any point of time, if you start noticing a big volatility surge, then avoid enticing the market, especially when you are employing robots, because the changes in the market structure is going to be immense. From early 2010 till date, the retailer side obsession towards copying trading service is something that is irrational. Many beginners that cannot spend more time in front of the charts are looking for ways to delegate the decision making process, and it is fueling the need for reliable copy trading service. Nowadays, most brokers offer some form of account management services to meet the needs of the user base. However, there is always a shortage of good traders on most platforms, and this firm is utilizing the gap in the sector to market their services. Rawbooker is affiliated with Gallant FX, and that means there is a degree of conflict of interest. For every client referred by this website, the owners get a hefty commission, and that might potentially push them towards encouraging people to take more risky trades. Even if we give him the benefit of the doubt, there are a lot of things that could potentially go wrong in the process that might skew the end result of the clients. Delay in execution, trading glitches, and platforms error are some of the most common culprits that nullify the benefits of the copy trading service. The idea of making consistent paycheck month on month might sound good in theory. However, there will always be some level of risk associated with the process, and you need to be aware of it. Remember, the end goal is not to win every time, but to have enough edge to create a stream of revenue from the markets. If you're trying to find more information on Rawbooker, it won't be a daunting task, and it is all thanks to the kind of traffic they get. From Forex Army to any other well-established forums, the client feedback available is ample. While we were going through the comments, the number of complaints we found clearly outnumbered the positive reviews, and clearly the majority of the buyers are not happy with the performance of the product they purchased. People have lost money in the copyright service, and many people didn't get the kind of results they were hoping for with the trading boards. One could argue that there might have been some kind of error from the customer side, but given the amount of criticism it has earned, that does not appear to the case. Even on Reddit, the user discussions are not exactly encouraging, and a lot of experienced traders are not happy with the explanation put up by them. Clearly, the situation is heated, but still they are managing to grow in terms of user base, and the whole scenario is surprising to say the least. Note that many people have said that the support team of his platform does not respond to complaints, and a lot of clients have never heard back for months together. Any platform that does not offer a good support team is most likely to have hidden agendas, and this one is not an exception to that rule. So be extremely careful, and if you feel like you are being rushed towards making a purchase, then do not complete the transaction impulsively. Take a look at a couple of comments we have gathered from 4x piece army. Ask yourself, do you really want to take thousands of dollars with this entity? He doesn't back anything he sells. I am a lifetime member who was supposed to never have to pay for anything again. Total lie. He ignores any emails with complaints. Stay away from this guy. The offerings are amazing. Promises of outrageous gains on stock trades. Constant videos, training programs, explicit trades, websites, etc. It's a well thought out scam. After you pay for the program, often over $1,000, you will get very little advice and most unprofitable trades. Don't give him a nickel. Run. No evidence. Whenever some invest into something new and disruptive in the sector, it is going to create a buzz on the internet for a long period of time. For example, all the people who were early investors of things like Apple, Microsoft or Bitcoin share their opinion on mainstream platforms, and the journey is appreciated by the public for the right reasons. Rob Booker and his courses have been around for nearly half a decade now. However, we cannot find any evidence of the successful students yet. His early trading days are not well documented, and most of his accomplishments are almost impossible to verify. In other words, the empire he has built around the education aspect is very fancy, and as such it does not provide much value to the end customer. However, his trading records are also not audited by third parties except MyFX books, and that means the proof part isn't as clean as it could have been. As there are numerous scams floating in the realm of online investing, our best advice for you is to always conduct solid research before investing into anything. If for any reason you cannot find sufficient data, then the lack of evidence speaks for itself. This platform is designed like a sales funnel, and there is no denying fact that they will try their best to upsell you on every product and level. People have been pushed towards spending more than $3,000 at once, and without any doubt, we can say that it is not worth the cost for most traders. Moreover, the price tag is not exactly pocket friendly too. The lifetime membership will cost you $1,000, and it will give access to live chat rooms, trading signals, exclusive podcasts, and much more. Clients can always pay more to get one-on-one training with Rob Booker. But at the end of the day, unless they see results, it will be a costly process with a lot of emotional ups and downs. Is Rob Booker a trustworthy person? The only thing that speaks louder than words in the financial market is the verified results. Take a look at the top investment banks. They never advertise their services because they know that people will come to them if they perform well. If you want to purchase educational material from this platform and try out some of their methodologies, then there is nothing wrong with that. However, keep in mind that nothing about there screams reliability, and you should not risk the funds that you cannot afford to lose. For the time being, the facts clearly dictate that people are more likely to lose their money with them, and for the very same reason, our suggestion is to avoid them. We know that things like copy trading, automated trading sound good in theory. The narrative have blinded people for decades together. But in the end, the performance rarely beats the expectation, and that's the way the market works. So be realistic about the end result and do not chase any fantasies, as it is impossible to sustain huge returns. Rob Booker is not a reliable and trustworthy trading platform. The education content they provide might be good in some aspects, but there are better options available on the internet for free. Their trading boards are also not exceptional, and most of the clients appear to be regretting the choices that they made. The support team is not helpful or adequate in their approach, and the number of complaints against them tell you a lot about their real nature. Moreover, transparency is not present in their business model, and they have a lot of flaws with their policies as well. Apart from their disclaimers, there is nothing noticeably professional about them. If you have some funds stuck with them and are unable to get it back, then do not panic. Let us know the details via the contact form, and we will show you the legal options applicable for your specific case. Do you agree with the Rob Booker review? Share your opinion on our official website. Thank you.